Hello! In this video, we'll see powerful enhancements that were brought to the augmented analytics capabilities of Oracle Analytics. In the Explain menu, the segmentation algorithm and the segmentation experience have been dramatically enhanced. To demo this, let me use a dataset about car accidents in the US. This is a history dataset about accidents, car accidents, and how many fatalities were involved. The ratio here is number of fatalities divided by number of people involved in the accident. We can see that this is changing with the age of the driver, or this is changing over time. So let's invoke the enhance feature now and run explain feature on number of people involved with the accident. And we're going to look for segmentation there. But first, so we're going to get classic charts about statistical distribution of number of people or key drivers showing what's correlating with number of people involved in the accident. But we have now upgraded the experience and the algorithm for segmentation tab. Each bar at the top here represents a segment with a high value of average people involved in the accident. I can easily ask for more segments, up to 100. This is 40 here. And I can see the segment, each of them being represented with a bubble. The size of the bubble is proportional to the number of records in the segment, and the position of the bubble shows how far it is from the average of the entire dataset. So in this case, this segment is pretty far away from the average of the dataset. The criteria defining the segments are shown in the tile, so in this case, involving a distracted driver and sitting in a second seat. I can see the same representation in a tabular way. I can sort and show only segments that are further away or segments that are larger. Come back to the tile view and see the same sorted. Let's now explain an attribute such as the person condition. So did the person die or not? So we have two values here, deceased or survived. So again, key drivers give me a clue, but I don't really have an appreciation of the size. And in the new segmentation UI, I can see segments for both classes, deceased or survived. Or I can select a class, like deceased in this case, and only see segments and groups of people who did not survive. So same concept here. I have the segments at the top and the tile showing me the average proportion and where is the segment specific proportion. But most importantly, I can control different settings of the segmentation algorithm, such as the number of criteria I want it to return, or which specific column should participate in the segment's criteria or not. This is available as well for metric segmentation. So I can click around and exactly define which column should be candidate for segment criteria. That refreshes the segmentation algorithm and I now get different segments. For instance, I can see segment 3 here, which is 2,500 rows. That's a good chunk of my population. And for that segment, the proportion of people is about 75%, which is way higher than an average around 40% for the entire population. Not surprisingly, the criteria for that high-risk group is sitting in a front seat and not using any restraint. Let me click to select that large segment and bring it across in my canvas, which is a new capability we have with the new experience. Let me also add another smaller segments to the selection and simply click Add Selected, just like in any other Explain tab. This brings across two tables in my canvas where I have the definition of the segments as part of the description, the row count of records within the segment and outside of the segment, as well as pre-built calculated objects that I can use as filters in my canvas. So if I go back to my business canvas, I simply drag the object about segment 3, the first one we were using, and filter the entire canvas and see only for that 2,500 records how the canvas behaves. I can also simply use that calculated object anywhere in the visualization, such as color, for instance, and see exactly the difference between that segment versus the non-segmented records. So within seconds here, I was able to perform powerful segmentations, controlling which column participate or not as criteria, and bring across the segments to make them completely actionable so that I can derive insights from my visualization. Thanks for watching this video.